Hello and welcome to my unboxing video. I know it's a bit late, but they sent it to me really late, and it came to me today, March 10th, with one of the things open and in roughed up shape. And I already know what's in it, but why not unbox it anyway? Alright, so here we go. I know I got a stupid steak knife. Everyone has their own swords and crap, but whatever. Yeah. Alright, so first I got a pink hex bug. I don't know, attack the cat with it, I guess. The Super Fight Loot Crate Edition cards. And my horny cat staring at me. Got the money that you can customize. I guess there was a contest. I don't know if it's still on or not.
Probably not by now.
And then I got dice for the box board game in this bag. The rock, paper, scissors dice. The Ready Player One novel. Probably read that later. I think this is the poster people were showing on their videos. I don't know which way to take it out of. I'm sorry for the awkwardness of this video. This is my first one, so yeah, the Pac-Man NES game poster, which is kind of retarded. Well. And then there's the pin that comes with every crate. And there's this, the Firefly Online thing. You get to make your own chips or whatever. I have no idea what this is. And here's the booklet that comes and tells you with everything that comes with it. And it has the players and the descriptive board game. And then I guess this is the instructions for the game. And then the board box. Of course you all know this is a very disappointing crate. But what can you do? This kind of ruined it for me and my wife. For any subscription box, so I guess this will be my first and last unboxing video, so bye.